Hey, what's up, XRP Ripple coin holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. You know what, my friends, a lot of people ask me questions about XRP Ripple coin, that what is the best time to buy, sell or hold XRP Ripple coin, my friends. So in this video I will show you, my friends. Keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the XRP in the market is 0.857969 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the XRP. On the other side, if we look the price changes of the XRP, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend, only the last 1 hour price change is positive, except of the current situation, except of the last 60 minutes, the price of the Cardano XRP Ripple coin is completely falls down, my friends. So from this price changes of the XRP, this means that the price of XRP is falls down from the previous last 1 month, from the previous last 1 weekend. But now, as you can see here, if we look the current situation, the live situation, live condition of the XRP Ripple coin, so you can see here at this time the jumping time of XRP starts now, my friends. You can see here last 1 hour price chart, and now the current situation is to going to the moon, my friends. So that's mean that XRP Ripple coin start pumping, my friends. And as I show you, my friends, in the start of this video, that the last 1 weekend, last 1 month price changes is negative. So that's mean that you are in the loss in current situation. Maybe, my friends, if this jump continue for a long time, so absolutely you are in the profit. So that's why for a pump you have to hold XRP Ripple coin, my friends. So that is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.